a 5-minute workout designed to slim down your legs in 10 days. Do you want to get slimmer legs in almost no time? We've created a simple and quick workout routine that will assist you in slimming down your legs and your entire lower body more rapidly than you might expect. You can do this workout from the comfort of your own home, and did we mention, it only takes 5 minutes of your time. So, get yourself ready and do this simple workout with us. Exercise number 1, Curtsy Lunges. We're going to perform this exercise for the next 60 seconds. Ready? Curtsy lunges are excellent for sculpting the legs and the entire lower body. This exercise powerfully engages the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and inner thighs. Curtsy lunges aid in developing overall leg power and a more refined physique. This renders them a highly efficient and potent movement for attaining toned and well-defined legs. You're doing incredibly well. Keep pushing forward. Almost there. Just a few more seconds. Great job. Exercise number 2, Donkey Kicks plus Fire Hydrants. For the next 60 seconds, focus on this exercise. The combined fire hydrant and donkey kick presents a vigorous movement, focusing on crucial muscles for leg refinement and contouring. This combination powerfully activates the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus, shaping the buttocks and lateral hips. This synergistic action also recruits the hamstrings and quadriceps, contributing to comprehensive leg definition. Great work. Keep going. You're making great progress. Just a few more seconds, and we're done. Excellent job. Exercise number 3, Clamshells. All right, this time only for 30 seconds. Ready? Clamshells are another important exercise for shaping the lower body, especially the buttocks and hips. They build strength and muscles vital for hip stability, helping to create a lifted buttock look and lessen hip dips. While mainly working the outer hips, clamshells also work muscles in the thighs and legs, helping to shape the lower body and improve how it functions. Good job. Exercise number 4, Glute Bridges. All right, enough talk. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Glute bridges are very good for building strength in the whole backside of your body, especially the glutes and hamstrings. They work the buttocks directly, helping to create a lifted and toned look. This exercise also works the lower back and core muscles, which helps with stability and strength. Exercise number 5, Lateral Lunges. All right, we've got 60 seconds on the timer. Lateral lunges work the big muscle groups in your lower body, which helps build lean muscle and burn body fat. This can speed up your metabolism, which means you burn more calories and lose extra fat, especially in your lower body. Lateral lunges also work your calves, inner and outer thighs, and might even help make cellulite less noticeable. Feel that burn? You're doing great. Keep going. Just a little bit longer. And that's it. Exercise number 6, the chair. Let's see if you can hold the chair pose for 60 seconds. Chair pose is a great way to tone your whole lower body, working your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. This works lots of muscles, which helps strengthen and shape your legs, giving them better definition and tone. Holding chair pose for 60 seconds at the end of your leg workouts can make a huge difference, really working your muscles and leading to big improvements in lower body strength, endurance, and how toned your legs look. We're almost finished. Keep going strong. And we are done. That's all for today. Fantastic job. By consistently revisiting this video and regularly performing these quick and fairly easy exercises, you'll be good on your way to getting the legs you've always dreamed of. Combine this workout with a balanced diet and plenty of water, and you'll be ready to go. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, click subscribe to stay connected with us, and thanks for watching.